Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? X minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Solution. Then we have x minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Now here is s minus 2 to the power of 4. If you bring this to this side, become minus 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Then we have s minus 2 square minus, this is also 5 square is equal to 0. Then this is in the form of perfect square. That is, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s minus 2 square plus 5 square bracket x minus 2 square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Now there are two cases here. The first case is s minus 2 square plus 5 square is equal to 0, and the second case is s minus 2 square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Now let's consider this first. Take note of this, that here can be expanded as, this can be expressed as a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then we have a square plus 2 square minus 2 multiplied by s multiplied by 2 plus, then this 5 square, that is 25, is equal to 0. Now we have s square plus 2 square, that is 4, minus 2 times x times 2, that is 4s plus 25 is equal to 0. Then this is s square minus this 4x plus 4 plus 25, that is 29, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Then we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 29. But discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then this is minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 29. D is equal to minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 29, that is 116. Then D is equal to 16 minus 116, that is minus 100. Therefore, we have S is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 100 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then here we have S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of, here is 100 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we have x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 100, that is 10, and square root of minus 1 is I over 2. Therefore, s will be equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 10I over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. Then s will be equal to 2 plus or minus 5I. These are the values of s from this first case. Now, let's consider the second case, which is this. From the second case, s minus 2 all square minus 5 square is equal to 0. This also is in the form of perfect square. That is, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then we have x minus 2 plus 5 bracket x minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then from here we have x minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3 bracket s minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 7 is equal to 0. There are two cases. We have s plus 3 equal to 0 and s minus 7 is equal to 0. Then from here, s is equal to minus 3, and from here, s is equal to 7. Therefore, our final answers are s1 is equal to 7, s2 is equal to minus 3, then s3 is equal to 2 plus 5i, then s4 is equal to 2 minus 5i. Then from here, you can see that we have two complex solution and then two ray solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.